For the U.S. government, a vial of white powder can be proof of weapons of mass destruction, and a drifting civilian balloon can be described as a surveillance balloon that spies on its people. Again and again, the U.S. government cried wolf, but no wolf actually turned up to attack the livestock. That is how it lost its credibility. In the age of social media, the U.S. government found new secretive ways to cry wolf. Unluckily, it got caught. Last summer, Twitter and Facebook shut down a large network of misleading accounts promoting pro-Western narratives. Among them, research found links to Trans-Regional Web Initiative, a U.S. government messaging campaign. We lied, we cheated, we stole. Mike Pompeo doesn't seem to care about America's damaged credibility. Then who would care to believe the U.S. government, a government whose credibility went bankrupt?